Most people spend hours to connect their Google apps to n8n, but not anymore, because in the next 5 minutes, you will be able to connect almost every Google app into n8n. So let's go. So these are the first 4 apps that we are going to cover, and these 4 apps will basically determine how you can connect to other apps as well. First, we'll go with Gmail. So you're gonna click on Gmail, and then you wanna click on create new credential. You can see that we have to fill out the client ID and the client secret from here. Okay, so now we click on open docs, and under prerequisites we're going to click on Google Cloud account. Okay, then we click on console. Make sure you're logged in with your own account, and then we have to create a new project for this. Creating a new project, we can name it as demo 1 maybe, and then click on create. So yeah, as we can see that the project is getting created, and we have to make sure that we are inside that project. So we click on select project, and yeah, perfect, we are inside demo 1. Next, we have to open this navigation bar and click on Oauth consent screen. So we'll click on get started. You can give the app name as demo 1, user support as your own email, audience should be external, contact information your own email again, and then click on I agree, and yeah, we are done. So we have configured the information about the project right now, and yeah, perfect. So now we have to make sure that we are adding the test users. This will basically prompt n8n to give access to a certain email address inside of n8n. So give your email, submit, and yeah, as you can see that the test user information has been added. So now we go back to clients, and then you click on create client and select it as web app. So we have to fill this up, authorized redirect URI. So we go back to n8n, and then we copy this, come back here, and they add the URI, and now we click on create. So as we can see, a new client ID has been created with all the client secret and the status. So we copy client ID, we paste it here, then we copy client secret, paste it here, and then we sign in with Google. So make sure that you're signing in with the email that you entered. Click on continue, select all, continue. As you can see that the connection is successful. So we have successfully connected our Oauth credentials to all these apps. So now the process is not yet done. We have to make sure that we enable the API services for every Google app. So we go back to this page, and then under the navigation bar, we go to enabled API and services. So we have to enable the API of those particular apps that we need inside of n8n. So we type Gmail API. We have to click on enable, and yeah, perfect. So as you can see that the API has been enabled, and only now we can use this Gmail node inside of n8n. And then the same goes with Google Sheets. Enable this. Okay, this is also done. Now we do for Google Drive API. So just remember that you have to follow these steps, and you have to do it all over again and again for all the apps that you need to connect with n8n. It's not a rocket science, it's very easy, as you can see from here. So yeah, perfect. All the 4 apps have been successfully configured, and their APIs have been connected successfully inside of n8n, and now you are all set up and you are good to go. I know it can be very intimidating at the first place, but once you set it up, it's actually very easy. So now if you want to integrate more apps into n8n, you have to go back to cloud and enable the API once again. So thank you for watching, and if you found value in this video, then please drop a like. It really helps me out, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Peace out.